Hey, what's up guys? Chris here, going to preview Viral Traffic Optimizer. I know some of you have been wanting to see what we've been working on. So here is just a quick demo of some of the functionality that we're going to be providing with the software. It's essentially, I guess you can say, broken into three parts. One part would be the blocks, or the content that people are going to be posting to their blogs. The like buttons and share buttons and images and things like that. Second part would be the testing, split testing in particular, to see which blocks convert the best, which blocks drive the most traffic. And then the third part will be actually looking at statistics to see, to see how other sites are doing. So here's just a quick demonstration of some of the things you can do. I'm going to make in this demonstration a header toolbar, something that goes across the top of the page. So I'm going to call it a header bar. You can call it whatever you want. On the right, here are some of the effects we're going to be included. This demonstration is using kind of like a mixed version of the software. It's somewhere between the plus version and the basic version. I believe we have like 3 or 4 effects on the basic version. And then if they buy the upgraded version, they get all these extra effects, or I think we're calling them mechanisms now. But so you can come in here and you can create it, and then you can just start adding cool options. So if you want to do Facebook, click it, it's automatically added. Twitter, Google, Tumblr, LinkedIn, and then you have options for like controlling the background color. You can make it, say we'll make a border and we'll make it a dark border or something like that. And the preview updates in real time on the right here. So you can save it and then you can activate it. So I'll activate my header. Now for this demonstration I'm just using a really primitive default WordPress theme. But if you refresh, you'll notice at the top of the page here is the bar we just created. It's that simple. It takes 5 seconds to do it. But then you can come in and you can customize this. So let's say we want to make this bar a vertical bar for some reason. And come in and edit it. Loads it up for you. Now we're going to have, with this, you can do a grid template, which is simply just, well, you can do it like this. You can make it 2 rows if you wanted. 2 by 2. I'm going to do, say, 1 column, 5 rows. We also have pre-made templates that we're going to be providing people. I think we're going to do like 20 templates or something that they'll be able to choose from. And then they can also do a custom template if they want. Do whatever they want, any type of layout. So I'll do, let's see, was it 5 by 1, save it, and the template automatically updates for you. It's instant. So let's say we want to make this, instead of being the vertical like button, we'll do like a horizontal count, and then Twitter, we're going to make that, like say we don't want any button, and we want the tweet to be assigned to the left. You can do that, etc. And save it, and then when you refresh the page, there's your box, exactly as we've customized it. Now, obviously you wouldn't have a header like that that's on the top and sticking down that much. So, but let's say we wanted to use that header as one of like the slider things that scrolls, the page scroller goes up and down. What you can do is you can come in, you can create, call it the page scroller, and then you can just copy the settings directly from the previous block. So I'll copy from the header bar, save it, and then it's going to load all of that content in directly on this page. Save, and then you come back and we'll activate it. I'll deactivate the header, activate the page scroller, and then you come back and refresh, and boom, there it is on the side, and then it's going to scroll with you as you go, and then they can like it and do whatever they want. Another option we can do is in content, like if within the post itself. So let's say I'll make a new one, be an in content block. Let's call it in content. Then I'll do a horizontal template. That. And I'll do, let's see, a Twitter button, horizontal. Then I'll do, I don't know, Tumblr, I guess. Style, different, make it a gray button. Then I'll do like a dig icon instead. And then let me see, instead of doing that, I'll just make it 3. Save, okay. So you have something like that. Well, then what you can do is you can go into your posts, and you can come on and it will let you add any of those blocks directly into the post itself. So I'll just do an in content. When there, it puts in a code for them automatically. Update it. And then when you refresh the page, the content of the button, Tumblr, and the icon appear right within the content itself. And you can again use any of these formats or designs or whatever, and post it in the end content. Use the same thing for the sidebar, footer, or whatever, and you have the full control over everything. So that's that. If you want to do a split test, the split test is as simple as activating more than one thing of the same type. So if you activated like both footers at the same time, it would split between the two, 50% or 50-50 each. And then we have statistics we're working on. This is statistics tracks. You can either do statistics with Google Analytics, so if you already use Google Analytics, you can send over the clicks to that, or you can use the software that we have, and it tracks like Facebook, Twitter, Google, LinkedIn, Tumblr, and then some of the button features options we have. Like if they want to just do, like, say, like link to my website or something, click here. You can track that type of stuff too. And then we use a statistics page. I can't. You won't be able to see it. But anyway, the screen capture is off. But you can do, like a second test, and then it brings up the second options. And then you'll be able to do this by like day, and weeks, and do trends and stuff over time, do comparisons, and it's the typical analytics. So yeah, I think that's it for the demo. Oh, the other thing I want to show you, I forgot, just some extra customization, if you will. If we choose something like one of these other templates, and then you did like a Facebook fan page and like a like box, and you wanted to do like Twitter and Google, and let's say you didn't want the Twitter button to be here, you could go in and actually just move it around, so you can like reorder stuff and like pick exactly where you want it to be. So if you want it to be in that box but horizontal, like the horizontal ones down there, you can do that. And then just like filter, work your way through. So it's kind of cool, it's that type of different controls and stuff you have. It's not just, it is full customization. We don't pick the layout and stuff like that for you. So I do believe that's it. We're going to be working. There's still a lot of other stuff we're adding, and then changes and stuff we're working on right up to the end. And like last time, we're updating the software even post-launch. Like customers would provide feedback, and they have suggestions and stuff, and we'd make changes for them. So you don't have to worry about us not supporting this. We plan to support it and make this product better for the foreseeable future, which I know is good for you guys because it cuts down on refunds and things like that. So yeah, I think that's it, and see you guys later.